Good morning all of you. In last video we will discuss about yogic kriyas and shuddhi kriyas, and today's topic is yoga for concentration and related asanas. Yoga for concentration and related asanas. Yoga for concentration. Yoga help in keeping the mind quiet and distracting thoughts at bay. Yoga is very different from exercise, and it's getting popular day by day across the world and has become a blessing to all. Yoga help in eliminating all the infirmities and keeps the disease away. It's reduce stress, anxiety, and dilutes all the issues related to the mental health with regular meditation. Here are some yoga asanas that are known to stimulate the brain and nerve system, which in turn improve memory and concentration. And first asana is Sukhasana. Procedure of Sukhasana. This asana is performed in the sitting position. Sit crossed leg on the floor. Bring one foot over the opposite knee. Place both the palms on the knees and close your eyes. Keep the head, neck and back straight. Now breathe slowly and concentrate on your breathing pattern. Benefit of this asana. First benefit, give strength to the back and elongates the knees and ankles. And next one is good posture to sit for a long time. And next one is relieves backache, reduce anxiety, stress and mental fatigue. And next one is it calms and enhances pace of your mind. And next one is improves the body posture. Next one is contradiction of this asana. If an individual is having knee and back injury, then the person should avoid this asana. If an individual is facing difficulty in this pose, then try placing a blanket under the thigh. Next asana is Tadasana, and procedure of Tadasana. This asana is a standing asana. Stand straight with the feet together. Slowly lift the toes and place them back on the floor. Pull up the kneecaps and squeeze the thighs. Inhale and lift from the wrist. Now breathe and hold for 4 to 8 breaths, and then exhale and drop the shoulder down. And next, benefit of this asana. Benefits: first, improve body posture. Second, reduce flat foot problem. Give strength to knees, thighs and ankles. Help to cure sciatica. Make spine more agile. Help to increase height and improve balance. Next, regulate digestive, nerves and respiratory organs. Next one is contradictions of this asana. The asana should be avoided during headache, insomnia and low blood pressure. Tomorrow we will discuss some more yoga asanas. Thank you and have a nice day. And this is picture of Tadasana and Sukhasana.